Hey, everybody. So, the intention of the week is to actually believe that it's going to be okay. The affirmation for this week is to simply say to yourself, it's not okay, but it will be. But I understand that that's very easy. That's so much easier said than done when you might have just lost a job, when you might have just lost a loved one. And that's why I invite us to say at times, it's not okay. Like if you deal with your emotions and you feel your emotions and you allow yourself to feel, which I invite us to do, go ahead and say, this is not okay. But in due time, it will be okay. And in order to do that, what I invite you to do this week is to think back to various experiences that you've had in your life when you could have never fathomed that you were going to get over on the other side. I can think of many of my experiences. I talk a lot about the death of my mother, the passing of my sister. I talk about my move from New York to New Orleans. I talk about losing my job, right? I've lost my job twice in my life, once overnight when my company folded. And so when you have those experiences, when it happens, there's devastation, there is heartbreak, there is shock. And you got to just say, okay, this is not okay. But I want you to trust that the same God that got you through that last hurdle, he or she, whoever your creator is, they're going to get you through it once again. So continue to think through. I invite you to journal this week. Think back to those experiences and trust. Namaste.